Hey guys, so great question by one of my favorite students who is working on this logo for somebody. And what they're looking to do is separate it out into multiple pieces. They want the letters or the words separated from the tree. And that's kind of hard to do when we have this many colors. Don't get me wrong, this is a super clean logo. It's going to be super easy to trace, but we're going to have to do it in multiple pieces. So I want to show you how to do that today. So I do have the logo already brought into LightBurn. And the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to right click and I am going to trace that image again. So when I do that, now I need to go in here and adjust my threshold so that I'm picking up everything that is in this gray. I'm going to play around with it until I get more closely to what I want. Okay, there we go. So now I've got the gray and the black. And we're going to separate this tree from these letters manually, but right now I just want to be able to pick these up so that I can actually use them as another layer. So I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to pull that layer down. Okay, the next thing I need is all of these leaves, and this is where it's going to get just a little bit tricky. I'm going to right click on that again. I'm going to trace this image again. Try to make this smaller for you guys to see more of it. All right, so now I'm really going to just kind of bump this all the way up to right about there. And what I'm looking for is more of these leaves. All these dark leaves is what I'm trying to get out of here. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to move this up here. Now, I need to get these lighter color leaves, and I'm going to have a hard time picking that up because they are so light and there's not a lot of contrast. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to adjust this image really quickly. Okay, so once I get in here, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a negative image just so I can see some of those lighter leaves in a darker color. I'm also going to go over here to dither, and I want to turn this into a sketch. That way it really pulls out more of the detail or the detailed lines in this image. What we're trying to do is pick up those lighter leaves and give everything a little more contrast or a little more detail. And then I'm going to turn my gamma up to 3. And what that does, again, if you notice, if I go to 0, it kind of turns it all black. If I turn it to 3, it again, is just defining those lines a little better so that when I hit OK, I can go in here, go to trace this image, and now I can take this trace or threshold up further. I wish this would get a little smaller for you guys. And I'm going to zoom in here because we've already got all this dark stuff. What I really want is these lighter pieces to be a little more defined. There we go. So about, let's see, threshold at about 211 starts kicking out some of the dark spaces, pulling in some of the lighter spaces, which is what I want. I'm also going to take this smoothness down so that it really kind of fills in the points. I don't want it rounded. I want it a little more angular. So I'm going to pop that down. I'm going to not optimize, and then I'm going to ignore anything over 50 pixels so that I don't get a lot of the chatter that's in here or a lot of the artifacts. Once I've done that, I can get over here and hit OK. And then I've got something that's a little more defined that I can actually lay over the top of this one. And now you can see I've got more lines here. Of course, this will have to be cleaned up, but that is kind of the start of pulling out the pieces of this so that we have the letters over the trees.